In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fold Arrowhead, which is one of my very best paper airplanes. This thing flies way over 100 feet and is extremely easy to fold. It's so easy to fold that I'm going to teach you how to make it in literally 60 seconds or less. So grab your sheet of paper. It can be 8.5 by 11 inches or A4, whatever you have on hand. And we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Fold it in half long ways like this. Open that up. Fold your top 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters down. Flip it over. Fold triangles to the center, just like this. And do it on both sides. And then fold that whole top triangle down just like this. And then this point back up to the top, just like so. Now flip it over and fold triangles once again. Open that up, and you're going to fold these outer edges to those diagonal creases you just made. Just like that. And then you can close it up like this and tuck this point here into that pocket that's right behind it. Fold it in half, and then fold the wings just like this. And there you go. You have a finished Arrowhead. Check that thing out. Now, I would highly encourage you to bend the back edges up just a little bit on your plane. That's going to help it fly nice and level. And let's see this thing in action.